Hey, so welcome back to another QMark video. So this video is moreover like general information for all the fellow people. So we're going to discuss about the great hackers who got caught with the simple mistakes. So without getting any further delay, let's get into the video and see who and all in our list and what all the mistakes that they did and what all the mistakes that you're not supposed to do. And in this video, I have a hidden tip where using this method, you will be able to find location of any person using one single image. So, and this video is only for education purpose, and please don't misuse this knowledge, because like recently I got 2 strike in my YouTube channel for showing some harmful stuff, it seems. So even I'm not sure what type of content that I'm showing which is more harmful, but every content what I'm publishing is only for education purpose, and I do recommend you guys to keep on practicing. So okay, without getting any further delay, let's get into the video and see who are all these hackers and what all the mistake they did to get into our list.
So the first mistake what the hackers make is like they leave the log file. So always go to var and then just go to the log. So here you can see all the log files that is available inside this server or system or any PC, any Linux system, whatever you will be hacking in. You'll be having all these type of log file. Let it be Windows, even it will have a log file. So you can see auth.log. So let me open my terminal. So sudo cat auth.log, and now you can see here this has all my login session data, like all my previous login history. So all this data has to be erased. Only then there will be no track of you that is accessing the system. So even now you can see the user log, cat user log, and see here even you have all the users log. So all these files has to be deleted. Now just select all these log files and delete all together, or if you have been more specific about which attack you just did, so if you want to delete any specific log file also you can. So now the EXIF data. Have you heard of this best hacker called Wormer? But he got caught and he got punished by banning from the internet. The government banned this hacker from the internet. So he got busted after putting his signature style of uploading any of his pictures saying this website is spawned by Wormer. So he uploaded his girlfriend in this picture. So you can see this data has revealed his location and you can read all these content. So this explains you how the Wormer got caught because of his girlfriend. She took a picture from her iPhone, so in which iPhone has an EXIF data called location. So in that location they got easily caught. So using this trick, the FBI was able to track back his location exactly to a lastly taken picture in that location. Through that they were able to track back to his girlfriend. From there they were able to track back the Wormer. So this playlist explains the full life of Wormer. So this guy is a great hacker. He got caught with a simple mistake which lead him behind the bars. So guys, see, just use this website called the Exifier before publishing any picture in the public medium. So you can see here, just upload the picture and click exify.me. So here you can see in which mobile it was taken, in which device it was taken, all the information about this picture, and even which location it was taken. You know the description, and you can see all this information is available. You need to edit this information, so saying just for testing, and you can see even my location is there. So I'll be needing to just edit all this information, just remove all this information, and let's go to geotag. Geotag is where the location is being stored. So now here you just need to remove this location or edit to a different location wherever you want to trick a person saying this is where I'm located right now. So you can see here. So likewise, even this is a great trick. If you have an image, so you just use this Exifier website to access the information about that image, so that most of the 2021 mobiles, even in Android or iOS, they have this EXIF data that has been added. So because of this, that is a bigger disadvantage for the person who will be using this. So let me change all this information here. So I'm just putting anon. So once I'm happy with the data what I just uploaded, okay, let me remove this geotags too. So I'm not available at this location. Let me close all this information. So now once it is done, then you need to set the map. So now you can see there is no location data in this image. So likewise, you need to go through all the tags and just remove all the information that is not necessary for this image to be shared. So once this is done, So this is a simple trick, and even you can use mobile app to do this. Like you have a lot of mobile app in Android and iOS. Just search for an app which has this Xify feature. You can just search for Xifier apps in Android store or Play Store. You'll be able to find a lot of application. Or this is the quick option, just use the website. Now once you are happy with all the changes, close, and then you can download this file. Then you can share this with anyone you want, so in which all your metadata has been removed and it is safe to be shared. So nowadays a lot of people doesn't know, saying that there is something called Xify data, and this data stores all the metadata of this your location of the device what you took the image on. All this stores that will be stored inside that image. See, actually very few people have knowledge about this Xify data and metadata. So my intention to make this video is like everyone has to know what kind of information is being shared in online. So before even sharing any of your image in social media profile like Instagram or Facebook, make sure you remove all this additional information that is not necessary for the image to be stored, in which it reveals your location or the device what you took your image on. So by this way anyone can track you back. So by using this simple trick, any person who knows basic hacking will be able to track back to the image location, track back to the image mobile data information, so that he can come up with an exploit and he can plan his attack according to that. So I hope this video was useful. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do so, give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel. If you want me to work on any future content, do let me know in the comment section. Have fun, happy hacking, take care, bye bye.